In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Twitch app not working. If you are encountering challenges with your Twitch app, maybe the app isn't opening, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, there are quite a number of steps you'll need to make to fix the problem. In the first method, we need first to access the app info page, and you can simply do this by long pressing on your Twitch app, and you should see app info shortcut here. If you can't see this shortcut, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app depending on the version of the smartphone you are using. Go ahead and tap on it to access Twitch app info page. You can also access this page through settings. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, we need first to clear the app data. And if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So accumulation of cache data might be the reason your app is malfunctioning. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose clear cache, and finally confirm by tapping on OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared, and now we need to go ahead and restart our smartphone. And once you have restarted your smartphone, you should be able now to use your app without any issue. In most cases, this is enough to fix these issues. However, if you're still encountering any challenge, then again back to app info. This time around, go ahead and tap on clear all data and then OK. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and try the third method, and that is to look for any update for this app through Google Play Store or App Store. I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and find Play Store, then search for my app. So I'll search for Twitch here, and then I'll go ahead and tap on it to see details. And as you can see, we don't have an update here. For your case, if you can see update option, then it means you have been using an outdated version of Twitch live streaming app. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version of this app that supports the latest features or the latest functionalities. At this point, open your app to see if now everything has been fixed. But should you still encounter any other challenge, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh. By doing so, you will be able to fix issues such as the app keeping on crashing, because this will clear all the bugs that might be associated with this Twitch app. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix your Twitch app once and for all. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.